Hello guys, welcome back. We have chemical test today and the chapter number 10, 11, 12, 13 of 12th class. All the chemical tests to be finished today. Now some questions. These are some questions distinguish between this and this. All India 2016 give a chemical test to distinguish this and this. Ethanol, propanol, CBSE 2013 distinguish between methanol, ethanol. If these are toughest question for you, then this class is only for you. These questions already asked in some previous exams. So today I have some important chemical test, and after finishing these tests you will be able to complete all the chemical test in class 12. So let's start from chapter number 12. Keep watching all the chemical tests to be finished. So first test is Tollens test, also known as silver mirror test, and this is very easy to be complete, like CHO, RCHO, either it is aliphatic or aromatic, both can confirm this test. So AgNH3 twice positive plus 3OH negative, and this will convert in RCOO negative plus Ag settle down. Now this Ag is known as silver mirror, right? And if you want to complete all the reaction, then H2O and NH3. So the balancing is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay, this confirm your silver mirror by seeing this. Okay, if this is very lengthy reaction for you, then you can easily convert this reaction like RCHO and on arrow AgNH3 twice single positive slash OH negative, and you can easily convert RCOO negative plus Ag settle down. So by completing this reaction only you can get same marks, right? And for the second one, 1, 2, 3, these are some very important topic to be discussed, like all aldehyde confirm this test. All aldehyde confirm this test. Clear? Either it is aliphatic or aromatic, all aldehyde confirm this test. Okay, ketone do not give this test. Ketone do not give this test. And the next one is formic acid confirm this test. Why formic acid confirm this test? This is very important. Why formic acid confirm this test? Okay, this formic acid is HC double bond OH. This is formic acid, and in this formic acid you can see this is your CHO on the left hand side, and this test is only for CHO, right? So formic acid confirm this test. This is very interesting. Okay, now next one is Fehling test. Fehling test confirm your RCHO, mean aldehyde, but this is only aliphatic aldehyde, not aromatic aldehyde. So the reagent are copper 2 positive plus में 5OH negative will give you RCOO negative plus में Cu2O plus 3H2O. So this is your red brown PPT. Red brown PPT. This is your red brown PPT confirm your aliphatic aldehyde, and these are some important terms. Number one, aldehyde. Which aldehyde? Other than aromatic. Other than aromatic. Aromatic mean non-benzoate, mean simple aliphatic, like CH3, CH2, CHO. This is simple aliphatic, confirm this test. Not aromatic. No benzene is allowed here. Okay, ketone do not confirm. Again, ketone do not confirm this test, right? Ketone do not confirm this test. Very easy. Aliphatic, aromatic. Out of aliphatic, aromatic, only aliphatic confirm Fehling test. Next one is iodoform test. Iodoform is very important test for 12th class examination. So in iodoform, Very simple. CH3C double bond O CH3. The carbon, the single carbon either side of C double bond O confirm this test. They have both are single carbon there. Okay, so iodoform, for iodoform I2 plus में 4 NaOH CH3C double O Na plus, this is your iodoform CHI3 called iodoform, and this is your NaI, and this is your H2O. This is your H2O. For balancing 134, 134 and 1133, 1133 for balancing. Okay, if this balancing irritate you, no problem, no problem at all. You can also convert this reaction into this, like on arrow I2 slash NaOH, right? Or you can easily write down this NaOI by eliminating I from here and H from here, right? This is NaOI. This is also for iodoform. Now you can convert it like CH3C double O Na and CHI3. Only two are enough for. This is your yellow PPT iodoform, which confirm iodoform test. Clear? Next one is sodium bicarbonate test. This test is only for carboxylic acid like benzene. This is your benzoic acid COOH, and on adding sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, okay, this convert the reaction COO Na and CO2. This is brisk effervescence, as you have already seen in soda bottle. Brisk effervescence, right, plus H2O. So this reaction confirm your bicarbonate test, sodium bicarbonate test for benzoic acid. Clear? Ferric chloride test. This is ferric chloride test, FeCl3 test, also known as FeCl3 test. And in this phenol, your phenol is to be confirmed here. Okay. And in iodoform we have completed iodoform. These are again some important terms. 1 2 3 terms. So number one term in iodoform is that compound having C double bond OCS3 confirm this test, means single carbon on either side of C double bond O. Confirm this test. Okay, this is quite interesting. This is ethanol confirm this test. Ethanol has your CHO, but still it confirm your iodoform test. This is very important, again very important, because on elaborate this your single carbon on either side of C double bond O confirm your iodoform test. One more, ethanol also confirm this test. So these 2 points are very important for this. So after completing this ferrichloride test, we have the last test now. Your phenol is C6H5OH. This is phenol, and this is your FeCl3. After completing the reaction, as you can see, C6H5O negative, single negative, and this is your Fe3 positive, as you can easily seen here. So compound will be 3 and 1. So C6H5O thrice, and this is your Fe. The color is violet. Violet color indicate the presence of C6H5OH, mean phenol, and these are your 3 HCl. So this test for phenol. Okay, so now we have some very important question that to be asked in your exam CBSE 2012, 13, 18. Ethanol and propanol. Ethanol and propanol, which test will confirm? So both have CHO. This is not for tolerance, Fallings. Okay, so ethanol is an exception case. It is exception case for, as you have seen in iodoform, this is single carbon on either side of double bond O. So this is single carbon. So this confirm your iodoform test, and you can easily write on your iodoform test like I2/NaOH. No balancing, no anything is to be required. So this cut from there, and this is your CH. This is your CHI3, and here H, you can also add an H, C double bond O and A. Okay, the yellow PPT indicate the presence of iodoform, and you have to write down like propanol do not confirm this test, right, in your exam. Okay, the next one is formic acid and acetic acid. The formic acid is HC double bond HC double bond OOH. This is your formic acid, and we have already studied formic acid by adding what? What is to be added? This is also an exception case and very important case. Formic acid. So in silver mirror, in Tollens test, as you have seen in Tollens test, AgNH3 twice single positive slash OH negative confirm this test because of this hidden aldehyde group, right? So HC double bond O negative, right, plus 2Ag, these are enough. So silver mirror, this is your silver mirror. Okay, so acetic acid do not confirm this test. Okay, you can write an acetic acid do not confirm this test. Okay, methanol, ethanol, this is also an exception case. This is ethanol confirm your iodoform, as we have studied earlier. This is your ethanol, this is your iodoform, very easy, and to be confirmed like CH3COONA plus CH, one single carbon. Okay, no problem, no problem. HCOONA and CHI3, this is your iodoform. So this confirm your test. No balancing is to be required. This is your yellow PPT, and what you have to write down, methanol do not confirm this test. Next one is benzaldehyde and acetophenone. CBSE 11-16. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Benzaldehyde contains CHO, so it confirms Tollens test. Acetophenone has formula like C double bond O CH3. This is your acetophenone. As you can see, single carbon on the either side of C double bond O. So it confirms your iodoform, right? So this is very simple. This is your COONA, COONA, and this is your iodoform, yellow PPT. Clear? You can also write down benzaldehyde do not confirm this test. And in this case, benzaldehyde you can also do in another way, like benzaldehyde confirm Tollens test and acetophenone do not confirm Tollens test. You know very well, right? Next one is phenol benzoic acid. Okay, you can do it from sodium bicarbonate test, or you can also do it from ferric chloride test. Both are very easy. So ferric chloride test is C6H5OH, and you have to be add FeCl3. FeCl3, this is negative part, positive part, add C6H5O negative thrice, and this is your Fe plus 3HCl. This is color violet, right? And you have to write down what? Benzoic acid do not confirm this test. CBSE 12, 13, 14, 16, my god, 17. Okay, methanol and phenol, again alcohol, both are alcohol. So phenol means C6H5, again OH plus में same FeCl3. So it confirm your ferric chloride test. So methanol do not confirm this test. Game over. Next one is butanol and butanon. Butane 2 on. Butanol confirm your Tollens test. It also confirm your Fehling test because it is aliphatic. Butane 2 on confirm your what? Iodoform test. So butanol, this is your butanol CH3 CH2 CH2, okay, CHO, and this is your Tollens reagent, twice single positive OH negative, and what you will get, CH3 CH2 CH3CH2 CH2C double O negative plus Ag settle down. So this is your silver mirror, right? Okay, again what we have to write, butane 2 on, do not confirm this test. Next one is acetophenone and benzophenone. Acetophenone again and benzophenone. Benzophenone do not have any single carbon, so acetophenone again we have we are repeating this, so it's enough. This is your iodoform test, NaOH, or you can also write down it NaOI in short, NaOI. Okay, the next one is pentane 2 on, pentane 3 on, again iodoform. This is iodoform, and this is the best example to see single carbon on either side of the double bond, C double bond O. Okay, this is your pentane 2 on. Is it enough? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, it is enough. 2 on. So this single carbon cut from here and I2 slash NaOH. The complete answer is this: CH3 CH2 CH2 C double O Na plus CHI3 settle down. Okay, this is your yellow PPT, and what you have to write, what, pentane 3 on, do not confirm this test, because in pentane 3 on, you, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 5, and this is your double bond O. There is no single carbon on either side of this C double bond O ketone, so pentane 3 on do not confirm this test. Okay, so now we have haloalkane and haloarine, all the chemical tests. These in for chapter number 10, a very few chemical tests are there. So only 2 chemical tests to be asked in All India 2012 and in CBSE 2011. Number 1 is C2H5Br. This is your pure single bond. This is your benzene ring and having Br on the top, so resonance are there. So C2H5Br, by combining with what? AgNO3. Very simple. It will give you AgBr. AgBr mean, what does AgBr indicate? It indicates the color yellow. Yellow PPT indicate yellow PPT. Okay, so the other compound, these are side product. If you want to write down, then this is your side product. Yellow PPT. Again, you can write down C6H5Br. Do not confirm this test, right? C6H5Br do not confirm the test, because there is benzene ring, there is Br, there is double bond character due to resonance, right? So this do not confirm the test. It is very difficult to break from here. Okay, the next one is distinguish between chlorobenzene and benzyl chloride. So chlorobenzene, again chlorobenzene contain double bond character due to resonance, and benzyl chloride, as you can see, benzyl chloride, this is your benzyl chloride, yeah, mean pure single bond. So by adding again AgBr, sorry, not AgBr, this is AgNO3 silver nitrate, and this is your answer. What is your answer? AgCl plus again C6H5CH2NO3. Clear? So pale yellow PPT, this is pale yellow PPT, indicate the presence of benzyl chloride. Again chlorobenzene do not confirm this test. Next one is chloroform and CCl4. Chloroform is CH, chloroform is CHCl3. If CHI3, it will be iodoform, bromoform, iodoform, chloroform, right? So this is your C6H5NH2, mean this is your aniline, and by combining this aniline with alcoholic KOH, so it convert into C6H5NC. This is foul smell, and the side product are 3KCl plus 3H2O, and this is very important reaction which to be discussed in chapter number 13, amine. This reaction is known as carbyl-amine test. This is very important, carbyl-amine test. Again,